This is such a cute princess bed. And it wasn't that hard to put together. My husband did it. Those are little stickers that come with it. I like how it has the little bumpers too, so they don't fall out. You just use a regular crib mattress and then the crib sheets, and it's just adorable. It's got this beautiful like chiffon, and then it ties with little bows. It's the perfect little princess bed, especially if you have a little one who is Disney obsessed and just loves princesses. It's like a perfect little big girl bed after they transition out of a crib. This Frozen princess bed is so cute. So my daughter's favorite color is blue, so I wanted to go with the blue theme for her. It's got all the favorite characters from Frozen, and you get the little decals there, nice purple on it. The sides have those little bumpers, which I think is really good because she would fall out of her bed all the time. So this kind of keeps her from falling onto the floor, which is great as she has transitioned out of a crib. Now you just use a little crib mattress with it. So it's super simple, and it is a perfect next bed after they are ready to have a big girl bed after the crib.